Hello guys, thank you for jumping onto this video. So here is how to create a split scan effect on the InShot Video Editor. Add your clips to your timeline. Now stop at the transition area and take a screenshot. Edit the screenshot and crop out the main photo. Then save it. Go back to InShot and save the video as draft. Open Photo Editor and choose the newly saved photo. Use cutout to remove the background. Then save the photo. Open Video Editor and tap on the draft. Tap PIP and overlay the photo you just removed its background. Tap full screen. And reduce the length of the clip. Now extend the clip's timeline by dragging with both fingers. Add keyframe at the beginning of the photo. Another keyframe at the middle and at the end by moving the photo up. Let's preview. Now copy the image. Move the middle keyframe to the second photo up. Let's preview. Now save the video. Create a new project with the clip we recently saved. So here is a split scan effect. Finally, let's add a speed ramp to make it look better. Tap curve. Drag down the area where the effect is. Let's preview. Thank you so much for watching, and much love I got for you. Peace.